It was a calm, bright morning in a lush green valley, where a gentle little lamb grazed peacefully by a sparkling stream. The sky was blue, the birds chirped happily, and everything seemed safe and quiet. The lamb, pure white and soft as snow, enjoyed nibbling on fresh grass and sipping cool water from the stream. But danger was hiding nearby. A hungry and cunning wolf had been wandering the hills since dawn, searching for food. He hadn't caught anything all morning, and his stomach growled louder with each step. Suddenly, his sharp eyes spotted the little lamb by the water. His mouth watered at the sight, and he licked his lips. This lamb is just what I need, the wolf thought to himself. But he knew he couldn't simply charge at it. The stream lay between them, and if the lamb ran, he might escape. So the wolf decided to trick the lamb instead. He quietly came down to the water's edge, standing on the opposite side of the stream. The lamb heard a rustle and looked up, startled to see the fierce wolf staring at him. "Well, well," said the wolf in a fake, sweet voice. "Good morning, little lamb. What are you doing here all alone?" The lamb's heart pounded in fear, but he tried to stay calm. "Good morning, sir," he replied politely. "I am just drinking water and eating some grass." The wolf narrowed his eyes and said in a sharp tone, "Do you realize you are muddying the water I'm about to drink?" The lamb was confused. He looked at the stream carefully. The water clearly flowed from the wolf's side toward his side. "But sir," said the lamb softly, "the water runs from you to me. How can I muddy it for you?" The wolf scowled. He didn't care for the truth. He just wanted an excuse to pounce. "If it wasn't today," he snapped, "then it must have been you last year who insulted me." The lamb blinked, surprised. "But sir," he said innocently, "I wasn't even born last year. I am still very young." The wolf growled louder and bared his teeth. "If it wasn't you, then it was your father who insulted me, and for that, you must pay." The lamb sighed, realizing the wolf had already made up his mind. "Sir," he said softly, "if you've already decided to harm me, there's no need to make up reasons. Just do what you want." The wolf was startled by the lamb's calmness and honesty, but his hunger was stronger than his moment of doubt. With a snarl, he leaped across the stream, splashing water everywhere, and grabbed the poor lamb in his jaws. And so, the cunning wolf, with his false accusations and cruel heart, carried the helpless lamb away into the forest and ate him. The stream kept flowing as always, quiet and pure, as though nothing had happened. But the birds of the valley fell silent, and the wind whispered the sad tale that even innocence is not enough to protect against cruelty. Moral of the story: when someone is determined to hurt you, they will always find an excuse. Stay cautious of the unjust and the cunning.